Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank. Is it legit? Well, that's a question that a lot of people have been asking lately, and I'm here to give you the answer. But before we get into that, let's talk about what Bask Bank is. Bask Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of financial services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. It's a relatively new bank, having only been founded in 2018. So, is Bask Bank legit? The answer is yes. Bask Bank is a fully licensed and regulated bank. It's a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. What are the benefits of using Bask Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Bask Bank. One benefit is that it's a digital bank, which means that you can bank from anywhere at any time. You can also open an account online in just a few minutes. Another benefit of Bask Bank is that it offers a variety of competitive products. For example, its high-yield savings account pays a higher interest rate than most traditional banks. Bask Bank also has a number of features that make it a great choice for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. For example, you can set up automatic transfers to and from your accounts. You can also track your spending and budgeting with the help of Bask Bank's mobile app. What are the risks of using Bask Bank? There are also some risks associated with using Bask Bank. One risk is that it's a relatively new bank. This means that it doesn't have as much experience as some of the larger, more established banks. Another risk is that Bask Bank is a digital bank. This means that you're reliant on technology to access your accounts. If there are any technical problems, you could have difficulty accessing your money. Is Bask Bank right for you? Whether or not Bask Bank is right for you depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances, then Bask Bank could be a good option. However, if you're concerned about the risks associated with using a new or digital bank, then you may want to consider another option. So, is Bask Bank legit? Yes, it is. Bask Bank is a fully licensed and regulated bank that offers a variety of competitive products and services. However, there are also some risks associated with using Bask Bank, such as the fact that it's a relatively new bank and that it's a digital bank. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Bask Bank is up to you. If you're comfortable with the risks, then it could be a great option for you. However, if you're not, then you may want to consider another bank. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when considering Bask Bank. Read reviews of Bask Bank online. This can give you a good idea of what other people's experiences with the bank have been. Compare Bask Bank to other banks. This will help you determine if Bask Bank is the right choice for you. Ask Bask Bank any questions you have about their products and services. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to answer the question, is Bask Bank legit? If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. If you're interested in learning more about Bask Bank, you can visit their website or follow them on social media.